like biggest film का tag ही नहीं, मतलब लोग organically इतना सारा प्यार दे रहे हैं. What would you like to say to all the eminent journalists here, sir, जो हमें join कर रहे हैं आज, और साथ ही across the globe people who are watching this?
We expected the response will be huge as the date is nearing, but this is way above our expectations. The Patna event and wherever we go, Chennai, Cochin, and here, everywhere, it's huge. And we're so happy.
Good evening, everyone. And this is really, we never expected this much reception for any film in India, sir. We are very, very proud to be part of this project. And also we are prestigiously releasing this film across the world, more than 12,000 screens. And also releasing in IMAX. This is the maximum, this is the biggest release in IMAX version for any Indian film. And there are lot many what we call things there which wherein Pushpa is very special. And we humbly seek your blessings for this film. And thanks a lot for coming to this event, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. So we would obviously want you to talk about your director, Saab Sukumar, sir. You know, the kind of hard work he's put in this movie. What do you have to say, sir?
He is working hard for the past 3 years, and even he is working hard today also. And same with our hero Allu Arjun Garu. He is the most hardworking hero in the country we have. And we want to thank, we did this in every event, and once again we want to thank Allu Arjun Garu and Sukumar Garu for giving us this huge film. Thank you.
So if you were to talk about the cast, of course.
Firstly, we need to thank all the media people who are here, sir. Thank you very much for this beautiful coverage. And also, we thank Anil Tadani ji, who is distributing in Hindi as well as in overseas. And also, our best friend and our mentor, Mr. Bhushan ji, who is the chairman of T-Series. He's always a very strong pillar to us. Thank you very much, sir, for being here. And coming to our cast and crew, see, they have done a fabulous job since 3 years. Everyone worked very, very, very hard. And our hero, a special mention for our Allu Arjun sir and Rashmika madam, who have given their best. And madam worked for more than almost 170, 200 days. That's a very, very big thing. And sir did his best, and he worked very, very hard. And coming to our director, Sukumar sir, he is, he's still working. See, his job is not yet over. And he has given the best product, and we are very, very happy with that. And also our DOP, Devi Sri Prasad Gari, has given the best music. Our cameraman, Mr. Kuba, who is from Poland, he has given his best, and he completed his DA, and the work is it is very good. So, Faghat Fadil sir, he has done a fabulous job. Each and everyone, all the cast and crew, a heartfelt, heartful thanks to each and everyone. Thank you very much, sir.
So one last thing. It's the two of you. Of course, you've joined forces and, given us this and a lot of other movies. मुझे बताइए, आप दोनों में से कौन ज़्यादा पुष्पा की तरह है? Who's like, more like Pushpa out of the two of you? Pushpa Raj. किसके अंदर ज़्यादा पुष्पा राज है?
Pushpa is one and only Allu Arjun, sir.
क्या बात है, sir. क्या बात है. Thank you so much, sir. One last thing that you'd like to tell all the people who are watching you right now across the globe, sir.
First of all, we want to thank everyone who came for this press meet. And we're releasing Pushpa 2 on December 5th. Please come and watch in theaters. And we need all your support. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
And one last thing, sir. We are releasing this film all across the world in around, 12,000 plus screens. And every screen, everywhere, we have all the 6 versions through this CineDubs app, and wherein you can watch any language which you like in that particular theater through CineDubs. Yeah. This is one we are introducing. Thank you.
Thank you so much. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए, of course. हाउ आई विश मैं सर से बोलता सर अगर आप लोग भी वो पुष्पा जैसा थोड़ा स्टेप करके दिखा सकते. एनीवन एंड एवरीवन, थैंक यू सो मच सर फॉर डूइंग दिस वन मोर टाइम. हियर वी आर आमची मुंबई में. पटना में बड़ी तालियां सीटियां बजी थी सर आपके लिए. व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू से टू ऑल द एमिनेंट जर्नलिस्ट्स हु आर हियर सर अब आफ्टर ऑल ऑफ दिस?
A very good afternoon. Thank you all for being here.
Man of few words, he's like हो गया मैंने यही बोलना था. So congratulations to you. Just a quick thing, the kind of response, because of course सब बोलते हैं distributor हैं कैसे क्या होने वाला है. The kind of response that we've got, is this like the massivest, the biggest kind of response that any film has ever got, and before the release?
So I think it's all thanks to the swag, the suave, and the style of Allu that
क्या बात.
this film has become wildfire from fire. It's been aided by the heartthrob Rashmika, the ace director, sir, who's not here. And I really thank the producers, Maitri Movies, Ravi sir, Naveen sir, for showing the confidence in me. And I hope the audiences give it all the love and make it really historic for
All I
all
want to
of
say
us.
is sir जब ये फिल्म्स का ठप्पा लग जाता है कॉन्फिडेंस और बढ़ जाता है. थैंक यू सो मच सर. थैंक यू. यस सब वहीं से शुरू वहीं पे खत्म. थैंक यू सो मच. अनिल थडानी साहब के लिए करके आए होगे ना? नहीं ना मेरे को सब पता है. ओके सर, whenever we have a film like this is not film, this is something else. ये एक experience होने वाला है. So exhibitors के तौर पे कितनी खुशी होती है that this is what you're going to be presenting to the audiences. उनको ये दिखाने वाले हैं. Srishti, I'll start with you.
So this is not a film. I feel this is a phenomenon, a global phenomenon, like Sir just said, and we are going to experience it on the big screen, not with fans, but fellow lovers of Pushpa. So it's going to be a communal experience.
Right.
And I think that the biggest thing about this film is that it's bringing the entire nation together
Right.
to watch something so big.
Wow.
And I mean, we've just seen some glimpses and we are just thrilled. So imagine the time we see the big screen and see Pushpa and Krashmika doing their thing and just, ruling our hearts.
Right.
And I think they're going to rule the box office.
Sure, they will indeed. गुलाब साहब, ये ऐसा लग रहा है पुष्पा का वो हाथ वाला इम्प्रिंट इधर आया हुआ है ना, फुल वही जोन में है.
शुक्रिया.
सो बिफोर आई आस्क यू समथिंग, एक बार सर पुष्पा वाला बनता है. झुकेगा नहीं साला. कौन
झुकेगा नहीं साला.
हरगिज झुकेगा नहीं साला.
वाइल्ड नहीं, फायर है.
किल कर रहे हो सर. आपके वहां आप ही की फिल्म देखने आएंगे. व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से द काइंड ऑफ रिस्पांस द मूवी हैज गॉट सर?
पहली बात तो बहुत एक्साइटमेंट है पिक्चर को लेके. इस तरह की पिक्चर बहुत कम बनती है जो सिनेमा के घरों में लोग आ सकते हैं. तो ये पिक्चर के कारण सब लोग सिनेमा घरों में आते हैं, उससे हमें काफ़ी खुशी मिलती है. और हम चाहते हैं कि इस तरह की पिक्चर बनते रहे और ये बड़े से बड़ी मेगा से मेगा ब्लॉकबस्टर बने. और हम ज़रूर ये पिक्चर को रात भर पूरी 24 घंटा चलाने वाला है, ये तो श्योर है. बिकॉज इस तरह की पिक्चर 24 आवर्स चलनी चाहिए हर जगह पे, पूरे स्टेट में, पूरे इंडिया में चलनी चाहिए.
क्या बात है सर. ये होता है अनाउंसमेंट सर के लिए एक बार
तब
जोरदार
जाके ये
तालियां.
पूरी वाइल्ड बन जाएगी और तब जाके पूरी और वाइल्ड बन सकती है.
बिल्कुल बनेगी सर. एंड व्हेन वी हैव सम अमेजिंग पीपल लाइक यू इसको बैक करते हुए, इसको सपोर्ट करते हुए, तो ये बहुत ज्यादा बड़ी बनने वाली है. सृष्टि, आई बिलीव यू आर अ थर्ड जनरेशन एग्जिबिटर, सो आपको ऑफ कोर्स एक्सपीरियंस में दिख गया होगा ना क्या होने वाला है.
See, it's going to be wildfire. Sir has already said it. So it's going to be a wildfire at the cinemas. It's going to be a festival for the cinemas. I mean, we are going to have people from everywhere, every age group that's going to be excited about it. In fact, I'll tell you something that my granddad said when I told him that I'm working on Pushpa, and I showed him the song. So in this song, Pushpa does like 2 hands. So my dad was like, part 2 hai na? तो 2 हाथ यूज कर रहा है. माई ग्रैंडडैड इज लाइक, नहीं, एक झुकेगा नहीं साला, एक रुकेगा नहीं साला.
क्या बात है. उनके लिए एक बार जोरदार ताली. एब्सोल्युटली.
He is a 94-year-old exhibitor and he is excited for this one. He can't wait for it. So, it's right from a child to a 94-year-old man that's excited for the film. And we are releasing it in 1,300 plus screens across India and Sri Lanka. So I think it's the biggest release that we've ever had. And I think the globe is excited to experience Pushpa, the Indian superhero.
Absolutely, she said it. Thank you so much for sharing all of that. And of course, Pushpa के साथ अब पूरा देश एक हो गया है. You know, because you look at these events across the nation, and हर जगह जो दीवानगी है वो इससे पहले हमने किसी के लिए नहीं देखी. Thank you गुलाब साहब. Thank you so much. Thank you Srishti. Thank you so much. Wow, that was some announcement यार. 24 घंटे